How to verify identity on Coinbase. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can verify your identity on Coinbase. So let's get started. First of all, you need to download the Coinbase application, and once you do so you're going to sign in with your account. So you can sign up if you haven't already signed in, or you can also sign in using your Google account directly. So once you do so, you'll be redirected to an interface like this that will ask you to upload your photo ID. Now you can upload a photo using your camera, and we can verify. They say that they can verify you without using your camera. So first of all, you need to prepare your documents such as your ID and make sure that it's valid and doesn't expire within the next 3 months. And for quicker, choose a document that clearly shows your address. And you're gonna make sure that your environment is well lit so that the picture is not blurry or dull or kind of dark, and make sure your details are visible. And then you can upload a document in English. So just click on continue, and once you click on continue, you're gonna select which document you're using. So in my case I'm using ID card, so I'm gonna click on ID card. And once you do so, you will be redirected to another interface that would say allow camera access. Now they'll not be able to verify if you have denied the access to your camera, so you can just click on enable camera and then just click on OK. And after that you'll be redirected to somewhere like this. So what you got to do is position the front of your document in the frame. After that it is going to check the image quality. Now you'll be able to see your picture over here, so you can just click on submit photo. And now you're going to position the back of your document in the frame and take a picture. And then again they're going to check image quality, and after that you can just click on submit photo. So once you do so, they're going to verify your identity, and it will take a moment, and then they will email you once it's done. So after that, when they have emailed you, you can just start using your Coinbase account. So that was basically how you can verify identity on Coinbase. So if you find this story helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.